Girl Lauren Rei right here on Water Ice Radio.
Yeah.
It is the Lauren Rei live show. It's Tuesday night. You already know what it is. It's 8 o'clock. And we right here in the building on Facebook Live. Hey, everybody on Facebook
What
Live.
up, what up, what up?
We
Going
have
up.
a dope show for you guys tonight. I'm so excited. We got a guest in the building.
Oh.
Not a guest.
You're not really a guest.
Not a guest.
But you're a guest now because you're newly married.
Yeah.
So you like a new person.
Y'all making it brand new. I'm still me.
They don't know
I'm
you
still me.
anymore.
Introduce yourself.
They don't know you anymore.
I went from a mister to a mister. Everything is still the same.
You know.
It has a nice ring to it.
No, you put the fever at the Hernandez wedding.
Yeah.
That's probably what happened.
That's probably what happened.
That's probably what happened.
It was a beautiful wedding.
But it was. So, but you guys already know who it is. It's our boy. Haters in the building.
That showed so much love.
He finally has showed up. He actually said that we forgot about him.
Exactly. Talk about Hollywood, brand new. Got a fancy office.
Yo, listen, making moves, cutting,
trying to figure it out. But we here now.
Betraying me to my ear.
Oh, yeah.
Trying to recruit new people.
He heard last week, he was like, we gonna make it the third. He was like, word.
Stop the record.
Real quick though, shout out to our boy Nitty behind the scenes. What's going on with you? He don't want to be seen though.
Nah,
That's the good
Ain't
thing
nothing wrong
about
behind
it.
the scenes. There's nothing wrong behind
That's
the
the
scenes.
good part about it. All right, guys. So let's take care of some business real quick. Just to remind everybody, you can find everybody on Lauren Rei Live. Really simple on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, SoundCloud, which is the most important. I'm also on Snapchat. Everything is Lauren Rei Live. That's LaurenReiLive. Also, this wonderful show is powered by our Water Ice family.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? That's WOODER _215. ICE, I'm sorry. 215 on Instagram, Facebook, all the good stuff. Make sure you guys go to waterice.com as well to sign up for our mailing list.
Yes.
And get your scoop to everything Philly.
Yes.
There you go.
That's it.
And not only is this beautiful show powered by Water Ice, but it's also sponsored by Samsung Technologies.
Absolutely.
They got all this fancy equipment in here, so it's not really us who is, acting new.
Yeah.
Samsung Technologies got us.
They rock with us.
No, they rock with us,
They got y'all looking new.
Yeah.
And it's not messing with up here. Y'all doing that yourselves.
We out here a little bit. We out here. But you guys definitely check us out on SoundCloud so you can hear all of our 100 plus episodes.
Oh, I feel like 200 right around the corner.
It's coming.
Yeah.
It's coming. And we got some really other good stuff coming. You guys, we're gonna have some stuff on YouTube up for you. We are the Philadelphia Breakfast Club. That's basically what's going down over here.
Yeah.
I mean,
I rock with it.
nobody else I know can really mess with it. So make sure you are all tuned into everything Lauren Rei Live. But had to get that business out the way.
I don't know.
But we were going so there's tons of things for us to talk about tonight.
So much.
Winning.
So
Like,
But don't let it distract you.
it's just been a week. It's just been a week. And I feel like it's action packed. So the Ratchet recap, you guys know, is coming up. And we're going to talk about anything and everything that's Ratchet. You know what that could be? It could be sports.
Yeah.
We got a little bit of that today.
Okay. Oh, I know what you're talking about.
Yep. Sports. We got some current events. We got some local news.
Politics.
Entertainment news, gossip, celebrity gossip. We got it all in there.
That.
Mm-hmm.
That is the first hour.
Yeah.
But then,
That's me. Birdman. You know what I mean?
it's funny how I said
Birdman. Respect my name.
It's funny how I set myself up for this.
Yeah, you did.
I don't know how this happened.
That's gonna be my first question, and you answer that later. Like,
Okay.
what made you think about this topic?
But we talked about this weeks ago.
But I want you to tell us.
I'll tell everybody. But the 9 o'clock hour. What is that?
So I'm curious to know.
Y'all always want to put me on the hot seat.
I mean,
See, I always set myself up, Nini.
Lies and deceits.
You
Fib, you be putting me on blast all the time.
I know you.
Once in a while, I'll I'm gonna put you in the hot seat.
I will
Gotta
replay
return
some
the favor.
shows.
We got 100 of them. Let's go.
It's ridiculous.
Play back the tape.
Ridiculous. But guys, at the 9 o'clock hour, we have the Lauren Rei Live. Let's talk about the topic of the hour. And tonight, we have a really good topic. Tonight's topic is called Girls Going Wild. Promiscuous. Girls going wild. Should women get to wild out after they're done in a relationship?
This is probably the easiest topic we've ever had.
Well, for you,
For me.
And how I set myself up is that I have you here, who I know what you're gonna say, and as soon as I put up the topic, I get a text like, all right, send me the address over here. And I look, my number's like the man with that we don't see behind the scenes thing. I know he gonna say something crazy. He gonna say something wild. And I'm always the only joint up in here, and I never had the ladies here.
That's what Facebook Live is. The ladies,
you got
God,
you need your voice, ladies.
Out.
You need your voice, ladies.
Because they're gonna, but we probably would be surprised. Some guys may not want the wild out girl. I mean,
it depends.
Okay, we're not going to really get into it right this second. All right?
Let's wait.
Let's just wait. We're going to give it all to them. All right? So, guys, make sure you are staying tuned for that as well. All right, guys, let's get right into it. It's my favorite part of the show. It is time for the Ratchet Recap. Yes, the Ratchet Recap is the part of the show where we talk about any and everything Ratchet. So let's jump right into it.
She Ratchet?
First story. Carmelo. Don't they always?
No.
Yes, they do always get caught.
Eventually,
Not
I
always.
think. Chris Paul, he's still, is he married? I think Chris Paul's married. Right?
He has a nice family.
Yeah, he ain't called.
You'll never see him.
Dwayne Wade, earlier.
Well, he got, come on.
take that
But see now, alright. LeBron.
He got caught. Remember the girl in DMs with LeBron?
That doesn't count.
You ask a female DMs count.
Yes.
You might have stuck.
They still together though.
That's sticking the tip in.
They still together.
That was a sense.
That is very true.
Did you just say she's sticking?
Basically,
he
when you slide in the DM, that's basically you sticking the tip
He
in.
dipped his toe on the deep end real quick, but he brought it back.
That's just me from a woman's perspective.
I'm sorry. I can tell y'all right now tonight's gonna be a bunch of fuckery.
Alright, so it's allegedly, right? So like, this is.
We didn't even tell the story.
Right, this is like TMZ, so like, alright, let's get into it.
Alright, so as everyone is broken the news yesterday, actually, was it? Yeah, it was yesterday. Yep. That Lala Anthony and Carmelo Anthony have officially split. They're separated. So they're split. They didn't get divorced yet, but they are separated. They're living separately.
She's gonna take it back.
According to TMZ, the couple has had their ups and downs in the past, but the current NBA season has been extremely stressful on the marriage. The NBA season. Mm-hmm.
That's very true. See what Phil Jackson said, man? That's a lot.
Carmelo's been plagued by trade talks, with the Knicks looking to move him to another team. Mm-hmm. Our sources say that the split was amicable. They were together just this past weekend at their 10-year-old son Kyan's basketball game. We're told that Lala and Carmelo have no plans to uproot Kyan from his friends in school in New York. Problem is, it seems likely that Carmelo will have to leave town. Because last week, Knicks president Phil Jackson said it was time for him to go. What's up with that? I haven't been following this.
Yeah. What he said was, he'd be better off if he left.
Right.
Oh, so it would be better for him.
It would be better for him. That's how he put it.
And for the Knicks organization.
And also for my job.
Right.
So we actually do need you to go.
I'll take Melo on my Spurs team. You know, he can come here and get a ring real quick and then retire.
He can come to LA.
However, today,
just don't go to Cleveland.
As soon as I flipped open my eyelid, I got a story that said that the real tea is that Carmelo then got a stripper pregnant. Why?
Throw that in there.
Because that is TMZ saying allegedly.
Allegedly.
It's true.
Allegedly.
It's allegedly.
Throw that in there.
Multiple sources
allegedly
tell us the other woman often works at a gentleman's club in NYC, not a gentleman's club, at a strip club.
Gentleman's club. And
we're told she's claiming to be 6.5 months pregnant with Melo's baby. We're also told that she has made it clear to Mello she expects him to kick in for medical expenses and other baby-related costs. You about to say something ignorant.
So she just now coming out after 6.5 months.
Cause she about to pop.
Come on now. Let's be real. If somebody's cheating,
opportunistic.
but my thing is, usually women jump on that opportunity week 1, week 2.
I'm sorry, we are opportunists, but yet he's the one deep sea diving in the stripper.
Allegedly. You don't know
this is what I'm talking about tonight, ladies. This is what I'm talking about.
Allegedly.
Seriously?
Was you there?
Look, until I see DNA.
Were you there?
I wasn't there. That's what I'm saying. Allegedly.
Until I see DNA samples, proof, so the baby comes out looking like Mello.
I haven't even seen her. Have you? I saw a picture of her, but I haven't seen her
This is
pregnant.
what she looks like.
She do look
She's
pregnant?
cute.
But she don't look pregnant?
It was just a random picture. I haven't seen no pregnancy pictures.
Well, no one has. I don't think anyone has it.
But everybody know when a woman is pregnant, the first picture they take is when they like
Two weeks. That's why
That's
stomach all out, something to show the baby bump.
I'm upset about that.
Very excited. But you ain't seen none of that.
I'm upset that it's a stripper though. Like,
well, because she probably has been getting paid off by him for the past 6 months.
and what, he
So
just
why
forgot
would-
a payment? And she's like, alright, fuck it. I'm just gonna come out and be like,
She
yo.
probably knows she's gonna get more money this way.
Allegedly. I don't even think it's his.
Oh, now it's not his. Here we go. Now it's not his.
That's Porzingis' baby. The white ball. That's Porzingis' baby.
Y'all
He's
wild.
going to the strip club too, man.
They all be at the strip club.
Exactly. It could have been
But here's
everybody.
my thing though, like why does it always have to be the stripper? Why?
You know what it do. Stop. It's not even a question why. It's like,
But why is that not the girl that you strapping up for? Of all of the one,
that's a good question.
we had this
That's a
conversation
very
several
good
times. Why are these athletes? I mean, listen, y'all regular bulls out there, y'all should do it at your own risk, right? But definitely the athletes and the celebrities. Why are y'all the ones that's really not? Y'all should have stock in condoms.
Don't promote that. Don't promote unprotected sex. That's regular guys.
Especially.
I feel like you know what I was trying to say though.
No, all I know is what you said. I'm just saying.
So-
I forgot you can't say
My
something
thing
you married.
is like, if I'm an athlete, if I'm gonna have to like, I'm just saying like, why do it stateside? Like, just, you go literally around the world with nobody you know who you are. Just take a jet for like, come back and then.
He gotta mess with the girl down the street at the local strip club.
Exactly.
It was that close?
It was in New York.
It's in New York.
Like not even LA, not even Miami,
Allegedly.
like not even Toronto.
Allegedly.
This now every
It was down
man,
the street.
every man from now watching every situation now when you talking to somebody. So I heard you was talking to this girl,
Allegedly.
and he gonna be like, babe, allegedly.
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 You allegedly.
That's
heard
what every-
allegedly talk to allegedly.
I know that's what you seen in my text messages, but that is also
I know you have a video proof of me talking to them.
It's also allegedly.
Hold on, because you can falsify some videos as well as text
This is a
messages.
lawyer, you know the deal. It's all about the word, the verbiage, man. It's all about the words.
this is ridiculous. Mello, if this is true, not allegedly, you're a fool.
Like,
Because let me be very.
amateur hour.
But let me be so clear about something. Lala been slaying lately. I follow her on Instagram.
I only watch
Slaying.
Sexy.
Okay?
She out here.
Her boobs are not all that great.
It was a little tiny.
Huh?
I was expecting more.
Vegas can't be choosers, so I appreciate it a lot.
But you drone. Lala is, and I mean,
Lala's always been bad though.
she has, but I mean, what I'm trying to say is like lately, and Lala's not a spring chicken. Y'all do realize that, right?
Yeah, she did.
She is older than Mello, so she, but she still got herself together.
Yeah, she got a little career going on.
Keep it right, keep it tight.
I didn't know she was a cougar.
Yeah, she is.
Oh yeah,
She's-
she's about to be
she's-
super cougar.
She's several years older than
Yeah, she was on when she was a VJ. She was in her like mid-20s or something.
Yeah.
That was like 2000.
Speaking of which,
True.
they are doing a spinoff of TRL. It's called MTV Live.
So they need me or
I feel like they've
You
already
should
got it taken care of. But I thought about you.
nah?
But I thought about you.
I mean,
Nah.
who better?
Nah.
But it's gonna run for 3 hours a day.
Okay.
The TRL was TRL at
1
home?
hour. After school.
Back in Math is gonna be back in Times Square too.
So I'm just saying.
So
Let's
now-
throw that in there real quick.
So I should get my real
MTV
estate.
Live. Go for my boy Jay.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Who better?
I'm about to get my
Check the
real-
tape.
Yo,
Check the tape.
I'm gonna tell Swizz to get my real together.
You're real together. So MTV is actually gonna start playing music videos again.
We'll see.
We'll see what really happens.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. I had to go back to that in there real quick.
Come on, Mello.
All right, next story, guys. Yeah, Mello, please get it
Amateur
together.
hour.
Whoa, he didn't. We don't know yet. Allegedly.
Allegedly.
You need to get it together.
So tired of this.
Now this story is weird.
Oh, because there's so many layers to it now, right?
It really isn't. There's so many holes to it.
I feel like there's so many layers to it.
I need y'all to explain this to me because I
Alright.
kind of.
So we're about to talk about the Cleveland Facebook killer story that has been going on for several days. I'm not really sure how Jay doesn't
3
know
days.
about it.
It's been everywhere.
So Sunday, Easter Sunday, breaking news, there was a 78-year-old man murdered on Facebook Live by this guy, Steven Stevens, basically.
Time out. Was he filming it?
He was
Yes.
filming it. He had the phone in his hand.
He
Yeah.
filmed it, correct. So the story is that he broke up with his girlfriend of 3 years, and she wouldn't like take his calls. She like blocked him and stuff like that. So he snapped and went on like a rampage and was like, "I'm going to go on a killing spree." Basically, he said he had already killed like 15 other people
Over a girl.
over.
But can I throw something in there real quick? All right, so allegedly, he was caught sleeping with a man.
Oh.
What?
Allegedly, but that's what she said.
Whoa.
Okay, I didn't hear that part.
Yeah,
Thank you. Didn't know about that. So we just heard they broke up basically. So he goes on Facebook Live. He's driving in the car like I snapped and I went on this killing spree, and it's because
And he said he already killed 15 other people?
he said he had already killed 15 other people, and he was going to kill more basically. And he basically was like, "See, watch, pull over." Saw this like elderly man walking down the street. Got out, parked the car, got out of the car, and like told the man like, I'm going to kill you, and this is why I'm going to kill you." And the old man is like, "What the hell is going on?
Right.
I don't know this woman that you speak of."
It's crazy because he told him to say the woman's name. He said, "Say Joy Lane."
Yeah, he said say his name. Like he was, I don't
She's
know.
always- this is about to happen to you.
Ill.
Yes, he's mentally ill, and he basically shoots this man execution style on Facebook Live.
That's wild.
So it takes Facebook Live 23 whole minutes to take the footage down
Oh.
because people are
That's actually pretty fast if you think about it.
they're saying they gotta do better.
But my thing
Because
was,
but here's the thing, when you post something like, well, that's not true. When you go live, it's live. You don't have to do like a review.
And you got, it's not like, you gotta think he doesn't have a lot of followers.
but my thing is, if we get notifications that someone's live, I'm sure Facebook gets the notification too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure they got screens of the stuff just popping up when it happens.
Right.
Let me tell you something. If I play 20 seconds of a Beyonce song on Facebook Live,
That's true.
they taking it down.
You know what? I stand corrected. That is an absolute.
You can't do nothing.
You
Perfect
can't do
example.
no, like real talk. Like I've had several, just like, "Hey y'all, what's up? Lauren Rei about to come on," and had 7-Eleven playing in the background.
Top. Nope. Cut.
But
Nah.
this cannot be posted.
Nah.
Hold on, is that the queen? Cut this
No.
now.
Right.
The whole
That's a very good point.
the whole man was murdered on Facebook Live, and it took them. And the video footage was completed,
Right.
and it took them 23 minutes
Take it
to
down.
take it down.
I stand corrected.
But my thing was, the man was he posted several videos.
Yes, and then when he got back in the car after killing the man, he started posting other videos like, "I didn't want to have to do this, but I'm about to go kill other."
Alright, so the issue is Facebook should have had GPS on the dude, and it's like, yo,
First of
Cleveland
all-
police, this is where this dude is at. Arrest him.
Anytime you do a live, it shows your location.
Right.
Right.
So
So
Alright,
we'll get to
somebody at Facebook was sleeping.
there's too many holes in
so
this.
we'll get to the holes in a second. Let me just finish up.
There's a lot going on.
A lot going on.
Like Facebook is like CIA.
So this is Sunday night around like maybe like 4 or 5 o'clock. Cause I remember hearing it at like Easter dinner.
I remember seeing some people like, don't share this, share the whatever.
Right. Yeah. And then they start showing footage of the family that when they found out, and it was just really sad, right? Mm-hmm. But they didn't find him on Sunday. We're now into Monday, where it's a national manhunt for him.
Right. True.
He's now it's expanded to 5 other states, one including Pennsylvania,
right?
Jersey. I think it was like.
He went all the way. Nah, that doesn't make any sense.
Pennsylvania.
Hold on, we haven't finished the story yet. Monday, I'm at work. I'm going through the timeline. Everybody like bull in Philly. They shutting down schools.
Yeah, I heard about that.
I'm like, what the hell is going on? People were sending in tips that they saw him. But let's be clear, y'all. He was a bald man with a Sunni. That was everybody in Philly. So he wasn't in Fairmount Park apparently. This morning, they still looking for Bull. Then all of a sudden, at around what, like 12 o'clock, they come out with breaking news that they found him dead in the car in Erie. There was no, they said it wasn't a car chase, but there was no breaking news of the car chase.
So did you see that? So I saw that people at McDonald's like, so what happened was he was ordering food at McDonald's, and one of the people that worked at McDonald's like saw and recognized him, called the cops. And so they stalled him by saying, "Oh, the fries ain't ready. Can you hold on?" So after a while, the bull was like, "All right, I gotta leave," and he took the rest of his food and he dipped. But that was still enough time for the cops to trail him. So whenever they caught up to him, and as they were approaching him, that's when he shot himself.
Okay. So he was in Erie, Pennsylvania. So he got from Ohio to Erie, Pennsylvania.
Which is one state over. So
right, it's not that far. But he still probably had to stop at gas stations and stuff. How long? So for 2 days he was in Erie in a car. I mean,
yeah.
So now there's this whole conspiracy thing all over social media, of course, that they don't think any of this is true, and all of this is like a distraction to something else bigger that's about to happen. Now,
already
happened. So let's not forget, just last week, Mr. Trump, dropped bombs over Baghdad, the mother of all bombs.
Yep.
And
North Korea had a
failed missile launch. It's a lot of shit going on. Let's just be honest.
Forget about Syria.
And Syria. Like, it's just a lot of stuff going on. So people are like, this is all distraction and bigger stuff, blah, 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 blah. What do you, because somebody's like, I want to see the body.
That's what I said.
Yeah,
where the body at? Where the body? How was there, first of all, how was there a chase?
No body cam, no damage.
How was there a chase? First of all, somebody called him from McDonald's. They spotted him at McDonald's. There's no chase. There's no amateur.
It's not funny, but you are like, which is true.
There's no amateur video. Nobody pulled out a camera.
Right, at McDonald's.
Nobody.
I wouldn't either. He killing people, Facebook Live.
Don't nobody care. They pull that camera out regardless. Somebody got a gun in your face, they pull out the camera.
100% accurate.
They don't care.
And I saw someone posted an article from some news outlet that was like, wanted Islamic man or whatever, and it was just like, how does everybody know that he's like Muslim? Like,
because he had a Sunni.
Right, but it's like,
drawing.
That's just the media trying to spin shit. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I wasn't completely oblivious to the story. I was seeing some stuff here and there, but I didn't know what was really going on. So that's why I'm like, I feel like
I didn't know the McDonald's part. I didn't get that part.
Yeah, I saw a post earlier today. It was a TMZ post.
So they held up his fries.
Yeah,
I saw that.
So I don't know, man.
Well, it's just too many holes, man. It just don't make sense.
Now I'm waiting for my fries.
Yeah. How long? Alright, cool.
I'll be right here.
Eating my nuggets.
Legs crossed. And soft drinks is $1 right now. Let me get another one of them joints.
Yeah. Another 5 minutes. I'll wait.
So my thing is, again, with the video, because everybody pulls out cameras.
Okay.
How is there no video anywhere?
Right.
Phone call, no video. He killed himself in front of
our
security
cameras.
All this would have been out already.
Dash cams, body cams, cell phone.
He waited until he was confronted by police to shoot himself. Where is that?
People will film cops around just for no reason because they think something about to pop off.
News reporters.
How they cover all that?
Then someone said they feel like the shooting of the old man was fake too. I don't know if that was somebody like where was the blood. Though nobody looking for all that.
Nah, yeah.
You doing too much.
It was fast, and if you freeze anything, it would look weird.
Distorted. Absolutely. Come
But
on.
it's like it's also like, but like how like if it is a conspiracy, like why this person?
That's what I'm saying. Why pick him? Why pick this 70-year-old
Like why
man?
this storyline? You know what I mean?
Exactly.
It doesn't make sense to me to pick it. Sometimes with a conspiracy, there's got to be some connection to what's going on. So I'm trying I feel like there's no point, but there is a lot of holes.
Yeah, it's
in
plenty.
the story.
That's the only thing I was looking at. There's just too many holes. Like it don't make any sense. Everybody know the media covers everything.
Right.
CNN was all over this. So my thing is, if you hear an anonymous tip saying this man at
Dispatch.
McDonald's, it comes up on dispatch. Everybody knows reporters. They got somehow connected to
sources.
Yeah, you already know when this is happening. Media should have known over. Nobody. No helicopters. No nothing. Nobody come out their house.
And when you hear everybody literally has a camera on their phone.
Right.
Come on.
He shot himself allegedly.
That should have been leaked.
In front of a couple houses.
I'll say this. I don't believe he shot himself. I believe they shot him. If it went down, they shot him.
So,
Trust.
With a video. Regardless of what happened, with a video. He was in front of somebody's house.
I think he's mentally disturbed. I think he killed himself. I think he shot himself.
But he did say he was having suicidal thoughts.
Well, he did go to his mom's house on Saturday and told her that would be the last time he seen her.
But you know something?
Yo, but social media is so vicious, yo. Why was people posting up pictures of her and was like, you gonna die over this?
She ain't even cute though. That's true.
I'm missing the
She's not even cute.
But you missing they vicious, dog.
For no reason.
For no reason.
But you know something though?
That's so savage, yo.
You know what I was thinking about? 6 days ago, the first Muslim judge.
Oh yeah.
Yo, that came up too.
That was last week.
But
We're not talking about it.
But where is she?
That's crazy. In New York.
I mean, not where is she? Who killed her? Right. She ended up in the river.
Right.
That story, they said it, but then that's all they
They're
said.
like, there's a killer on the loose. Like, that's wild. A judge? That's some mafia shit, yo.
Yeah, I forgot about that, but
See, you was
Or
distracted.
some like extremists.
You were distracted.
I wasn't saying whoop.
I heard that was crazy.
That is definitely crazy. But I will say this, and we've talked about this several times. Mental illness is real.
Yes. Yes.
And if this is a real story, Ball clearly had issues, and of course they dug into his background, and they said as a kid he tortured animals, but wait a minute, he worked with children. He was like one of those TSA counselors.
Interesting.
So he was really that disturbed while he was working with kids, trying to save their lives.
I don't know, man.
See what I'm saying? There's too many holes. It does not make sense. None of this makes sense.
It's a lot. It's definitely a lot. That's crazy.
We live in a weird time, man. Like, this is weird.
It's called, for me, it's called end of times. Like, that's how I look at it. Like,
Don't say that. Don't say that.
it's
You already
wild.
here first.
It's wild out here, yo. Wow.
So we could have potentially, we could have,
Time
if it
out.
was true.
Funny meme real quick. So y'all know the White House posted their first Easter egg roll, right?
About the president on the left.
And Melania, and it said, "Welcome to the Hunger Games."
Oh no.
What? I got the funniest meme ever. Melania's up at the podium with the mic, and it's like somebody sitting right here, somebody here, and it's like, "Welcome to the Hunger Games."
May the odds forever be in your favor.
Yo, they are so whack. Yo, like it's not even like I'm like if I was a kid, like no, I'm good. I'm gonna go to this joint.
Yeah, you can't just go like Disneyland.
Like I don't even want to go here.
Right.
Like, the Easter egg roll looks so whack.
This angry orange man. Trying to find
And they always making her read books. No one knows what she's saying, dog.
What books was you reading?
Some doctor. But have you guys noticed they don't have a plan for her?
No. Like no advocacy, no.
They don't have a plan for her. They don't know what it's going to be. They don't know what to do.
Human trafficking.
I just thought it was funny.
What I feel like.
I just thought it was just funny seeing the clips of it this week. I was like, this is the wackest.
So whack.
Like, they're the wackest film you could ever have.
I would have been in the back. Boo! I would have been that person.
I've been like, wait, y'all told me that.
No,
the
president.
I don't see no black people here.
The meme I saw was the one. It was like somebody was like the funniest thing I saw because it was like the graphic for it was the president and then the Easter bunny. And it was like the President Trump on the left. Like they had to like signify who the president was and the funny was. You know, it's like what? You know, who the president is? The president on the left.
Wow, yo, they.
Wild.
All I know is
the internet.
Sometimes.
No, I'll say most times.
I would say at least 85 to 90% of the time
That's
I'm
a
in love
great
with
number.
it.
Yeah.
I'm in love with the internet. Like it keeps me going throughout the day. Honestly, real talk. Like
That's definitely my news.
Yeah.
I do watch the news. I have to admit I do. Because these times that we're in are wild.
They are.
And I almost like literally like people like the SNL people, they have to be up like every day like thank you. We have
they're easy money.
Melissa McCarthy came back this weekend.
Sean Spicer.
In the Easter Bunny outfit.
Yo,
first of all, they had Melissa McCarthy playing Sean Spicer.
It's amazing.
It's hilarious in itself.
Yeah, and she kills it every time.
Every time. She completely slays it every time because he definitely is Trump's like third cousin that has some really bad information on him.
Oh my God.
And he was like, I gotta give you
a job. Like, I'm gonna be this press secretary.
So either you go ahead and give me this job or
all those alleged assaults, they're gonna come out.
I got some other stuff that can come out.
Right.
Because he should have been fired.
He said Hitler didn't use chemical warfare.
Don't even.
Boy is wildin'.
Paul said he spoke with Martin Luther King. Don't even. The black lady, you know the black lady that's the reporter that he's always giving a really hard time?
Yes.
She'd be looking at bro like, now, like, you's a
clown.
Like, people just want to get up and walk out like, I'm good. We don't even want to do this anymore. This is a waste of our time.
Yes. I can go to get some coffee at Starbucks. So I come over here.
This is ridiculous. This is nonsense.
Every day.
They be like, what we gotta go where? Oh, he's about to speak again? Okay. Like, this is dumb.
Everybody's just taking notes like this. They're just doodling.
They like these motherfuckers. When is this over?
How many more years?
Oh, God.
3 years.
Alright, y'all, let's move on. Actually, really quick, before we move on to the part 2 of Ratchet Recap, let's tune the people in who are just coming in on Facebook Live, how you can catch up to Lauren Rei Live. Jay, you got it?
Yeah, Lauren Rei Live, LaurenReiLive, and that's across the board on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and most importantly, SoundCloud. So go to our SoundCloud page and check out the archives of over 100, over 100 episodes that we talked about. We got some great guests in our past, and we got some great guests coming up in the very, very, very near future. So definitely check those out. And if you want to check out waterice.com, this is everything Philly, go to the website, the main page. Sign up for our newsletter. You get the scoops, the first scoops to what's going on in the city of brotherly love every week, every month. Things to do, people to see for the family, for the singles, for the couples, for the millennials, for the old heads.
Water Ice always has something for you to do.
Always something to do, something to see, somebody to follow, all that good stuff. So it's WODERICE. And Water Ice is also on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. So make sure you go follow them.
Bet. All right, you guys. Round 2. Ratchet Recap. Let's go.
So are we not gonna talk about the album or?
All right, let's do it now.
All right.
So this is my bad that it wasn't in there, but it's really not ratchet. It actually is ratchet because he didn't have to do this to people.
Kind of did though.
Why not, right?
He definitely had to. I'm sorry, he had to.
All right,
it was a lot of debate going on. It was just like, come on, y'all
So King Kendrick
Kung Fu King.
dropped Damn. Damn. That's pretty much what you can really say. You feel like that's why he named it Damn?
I'm gonna put it to you like this, yo. I was literally I'm about to go to sleep. I'm like, it was a long day. It was about 12:30. I see a friend of mine who lives in LA.
Mm-hmm.
Put a post, damn period. K Dot is that dude. And it had like the album. I was like, he dropped the album.
Right.
So I had to stay up, so I wanted to hear the whole thing. It's like 12:30, so I was bed at 2 or whatnot. And I was just like, maybe I'm tired because this is really dope. I'm gonna listen to it again just to confirm.
It's really that good.
Listen to it again. I was like, nah, he's that dude. Ain't nobody coming for this crown right now, man. Ain't nobody wanted with Kendrick, yo.
But Aubrey made him do it.
I think him and Big Sean made him do it.
Really bad. It's like, I mean,
they made him do it. I think so. Nitty, what do you think, man?
I ain't listened to the album.
You need to
oh, yeah, listen to it.
I agree with what you're saying, though.
I agree. And you hated, you're on the same page.
Oh yes, definitely. King Kendrick.
Oh my God, it's like, it's like and each song it's not that long. But let me give it to you real quick.
little body jazz.
They jazz, real quick jazz. I mean, but I knew it was gonna be something special when Humble dropped though.
Yeah.
Because first of all, has anyone seen the visual?
Nobody's touching his videos either. Like his music videos are always just so interesting. Like, did you see the new one with Don Cheadle with DNA?
Haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, he dropped it today. I posted on my page.
Oh, I gotta watch
He has Don Cheadle in it. It's just so captivating. You're just like, oh, this is dope.
Haven't seen it.
Humble video.
I'll watch it.
Yes, it is.
It's the track, everything about it is just really, really good. I mean, at this point, and he's supposed to drop another one.
Power 99, what's his name? Rosenberg. He said, and he was like adamant about it. And he had some pretty fair points about it. He was like, ain't nobody out rapping Kendrick right
No.
now. Ain't nobody out rapping Kendrick.
Who? Migos? No. Like,
ain't nobody, like he's
yep, Lil Yachty. I mean, like, there's nobody doing what he's doing right now.
I feel like he kind of like, I feel like he kind of just did like, you know what, man? Let me just drop this real quick.
And people who say he's not don't know music.
I don't get it.
They don't know music.
Like, I get y'all loyal to y'all's respective artists, but like, you gotta put the loyalty off to the side and be unbiased when it comes to this music.
But they don't know how.
They don't know how. Which is,
They've been brainwashed.
it's unfathomable. Like,
And maybe I've been brainwashed.
For anybody who thinks More Life is even close to this album,
Oh God.
stop. Just stop.
With that doom 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 doom.
It's not even close.
Like Drake, and y'all know I'm a Drake fan. Like
Yeah,
I'm a Drake fan.
Me too.
But I can't hear another doom 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 doom
Them
doom.
little pop songs.
Yo, it's driving me crazy. So you know what the best song is on More Life? The last song, Do Not Disturb. It's
I was
the
gonna
best.
say the one with Georgia, but it's her interlude. Georgia interlude.
Yes.
Like, and that's my point. Like, Drake's not even on that song. That's the best song.
His best flow, and I play it at the break, is Do Not Disturb because that's Drake.
Right.
All this passion fruit stuff and like I did one dancing and control, like yo, chill.
I didn't even get to the last song.
This is my thing. Like
I didn't either. Someone told me about that song. I was like, you gotta listen to the song.
my thing about like all those songs that Drake does, like I'm trying to picture him live. I'm like, that would be boring if I went to a show and I saw him doing those songs in a concert. But then you flip to like Kendrick, that whole album he could do at one show and it'd be
Lit.
my head will explode. Like just visuals, I can just imagine.
You see him do that at like Coachella?
Yeah, exactly. Like on the Grammys or something like that. Yo, people are like, oh
my God.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And that's why I try to put.
When you hear an album, you visualize it?
Yeah, I try to see like how they do it or how it sound live.
Right.
I could see Kendrick at a Coachella. I can't hear
Drake.
Passion Fruit at Coachella.
No, it's not what it's for.
Maybe for the smaller
You
tent.
said, oh God.
Maybe for the smaller tent or something.
Not even.
But not the main stage.
Even what's the first song on the album? Free Smoke? Not even Free Smoke.
Right.
I don't know.
Free Smoke was a little boring. It was alright.
I mean, there's not a lot of people that
Alright.
could do a hype club banger and the lyrics be like, yo, did you just hear me this time? Like, not a lot of people can do that.
No, they can't.
That's K-Dot. He come at people's necks and I love it. I want more of it.
So we had to add that in there for you guys. If you haven't heard, damn, listen to it.
What do y'all think? Facebook Live, what do y'all think about the album for those who have heard it? If you haven't heard it, I highly suggest it, even watching the video. If you haven't heard it, listen to it. If you have heard it, what do you think? Write down your comments on Facebook.
Somebody, Q, he didn't say this on ours, but he just said on his post, who has a better catalog, Kendrick or Eminem?
Well, Eminem has more albums and more songs. I mean,
You can't do that yet.
yeah, you don't. Yeah,
You can't do that yet. Kendrick need a couple more years.
You
Maybe
gotta
about
think
10
of
more
songs
albums.
that Eminem was featured on. You know what I mean? Like, he has a lot of songs. And
I'm ready
then
for
the
another
D12 stuff.
I'm ready for another Eminem album.
I'll be ready for that. That'd be dope. Yeah, his last one was dope. I'm ready for another whole album when we stop playing.
Will we do
It's
it?
been 2013. That's 4 years. That's a long time.
Will we do it?
He will.
Why won't he?
Why not? At this point, he's still 40-something in rap.
Wow, he can be rapping forever, yo. I need him to. This will be the 5th year. I need him to headline Made in America.
Is it the 5th year? I never know. That
5th year.
might happen.
No, it's the 6th year. Last year.
All right, so let's get jumping to this thirsty fan real quick.
Oh God. True definition of thirst.
Wait, what happened?
So this woman breaks into Drake's home and steals $10 in a soda.
Oh, like she was literally thirsty. She was
Yeah.
dehydrated. Yeah.
Yes.
Who does that? You can jump into anybody's crib, steal some damn soda and water.
So she broke into Bobby Graham.
Excuse me, let me just
Okay.
according to TMZ, so
It's true.
all right. Law enforcement, a member of Drake's crew walked into the house at 10:30 p.m. on April 3rd and found a 24-year-old woman in one of the bedrooms wearing one of Drake's hoodies.
Okay.
The cops were called and the woman told them she had permission to enter, which she did not. She then confessed to, what is it? I'm not gonna lie. Pilfering? Pepsi? Yes, still good. You my Webster girl.
Yeah, she stole.
She stole
Wow.
Pepsi, Sprite, and a Fiji water.
I ain't mad.
Okay.
Okay.
And it's expensive. Drake wasn't home at the time. It's unclear how the woman got inside the house or how long she was in the house. There was no signs of forced entry. The lady was arrested and charged with felony burglary.
Damn.
It doesn't matter whether she stole $100,000 in jewels, or just a couple of sodas. If she enters illegally
B&E.
and takes stuff, it is a felony.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. If I would have known that, I'm going for the gusto.
Yeah.
Technically, she didn't take anything though, because she was still there.
But she broke in.
She broke out. Dumb.
That doesn't make any
People
sense.
got issues. Remember old girl who broke into Chris Brown's house
Yeah.
and was cooking up a meal? But what was up with Boy this week who got caught frying chicken and chilling in somebody? This was a regular person's house. Did you see that story?
She was frying
Wait,
chicken.
what? Yo, he was like, yo, I'm mad hungry. I know this person got chicken.
I tell no lies. Broke into a random person's home and started frying some
He was
chicken.
on drugs.
So hold on.
He had to be on drugs.
Let me find this.
So he thought it out and all that too?
Let me find this
The
story.
frost. Yo, he had time to frost and
Let me find this story because y'all think I'm joking. I'm not.
How do you have time to do all that?
I'm confused.
What is your thought process?
First of all, it was a chicken bang. That's the first question.
Boy fried a whole batch of chicken. Woman walked in was like, word? Like,
Thanks. I'm like,
are we having
I'm kind of
dinner?
mad you broke in, but I'm kind of happy that you made chicken, so I'll let this slide. Let's feast.
Oh, I want to find this
Let's
real
feast.
quick.
I was gonna order in, but
Yeah, save you money and time, so.
The Shade Room be having so many posts
everything, man.
You can't find any of it. I don't
So going back to this, why you look so bad?
Jordan.
You might be doing it wrong. You might be doing it wrong. Going back to the woman who broke into Drake's crib. Look at it. I'm trying to find keys to the cars.
At jewelry,
something. Some Jordans, the OVO Jordans.
That's a real fan. She probably just wanted to lay in his hoodie.
I'm like, can I just take the hoodie?
She got so hyped from screaming.
I can't find this
she
story.
needed a couple drinks.
I can't find the story, but I did just roll up on a story. I feel like some things should not be touched, and y'all do know that they're doing a sequel to Coming to America.
No.
I heard that.
No.
I heard that.
Certain things should not be touched.
No.
And it's a real story.
No. Who said that? Why?
I did hear that.
Who's gonna be in it?
I think the first time I heard
everybody's still alive. They can still no.
The first.
A sequel?
It's not a remake.
It's not a remake.
It's a part.
Oh, a sequel.
Yeah.
Part 2.
I thought you said remake.
I heard Michael Blackson's supposed to be in it.
I may not be opposed to that.
I am.
But
I don't want to be
as long as they're in it, I'm cool.
Like if Eddie Murphy and Arsenio Hall and the girl that he married at the end, and what's his name, Amos, if all of them are in it, I might be okay with that. When they got other people playing,
How would they do it? Why would he come back?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, what is the sequel? Like, maybe they had a kid or something
somebody
like
wants
that.
to come to school or something. You know what I mean?
Okay. Or he
And maybe the son
want to come to where his mom is from.
It would be
That
funny
makes
if Michael Blackson was the son.
No, he's too old.
Yeah.
I don't know what the twist is gonna be.
Who? Wait, where'd you hear that from?
Huh?
Where'd you hear that from?
It's all over the place. And it's real, and it's true. It's confirmed.
I did hear that though.
I feel like Eddie Murphy has to confirm that for it to be.
That's true. That's true as well.
I feel like technically he doesn't have to confirm because it's not his movie. It's like the studios, but I feel like they should have done due diligence.
But it wouldn't be official. It's not really official. It won't be a real deal if Eddie Murphy don't say anything. If he ain't in it, no one cares.
I'm so like, 'cause that's my movie, man. Like,
Yes, it's a classic. Like, that's what I'm saying. Certain things don't need to be touched.
I was just thinking about this movie too.
It was just on not so long ago.
That don't need to be remade. Part 2, depending on the plot and everything like that.
Right. I would need like an Oscar award winning writer to be the writing the screenplay for this. Like I need that with like a dope director. Like I need all of that. Oh man. I hope. I'm really not.
We don't know. I don't know yet. We'll see what happens.
Hopefully. Alright. Well that's gonna be one of those stories that we're gonna keep our fingers on.
We're gonna see what happens. Right?
Right that bit.
We'll table down this discussion. So we're gonna move on to the next story.
Last story. Oh, we just talking about this.
Oh man. See, I like where this kid's head is at. Minus the fact that he should have bounced, but
I would ran.
Real quick, Bull at Coachella was stealing people's phones. He stole over 100 iPhones.
Damn.
How?
Where did he keep them? Like 100 iPhones can't fit in the bag, like in the backpack.
He must have a duffel bag.
But remember we told people how the festival? Y'all wasn't listening.
We told, yep, we sure did.
You gotta keep that stuff secure.
Yep. We told people how the festival.
But remember what you said, people are drinking, they high,
Pills.
they on the mollies, they not worried about it.
But how?
But here's my thing. Bull got caught because everybody was like, find my iPhone. All of a sudden, all of them was like, beep, 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 beep.
His bag was blowing up.
Why are you still there? Please,
Wait, can't you like with the phone? Can you just turn off the
You
phone?
can enable it.
Right.
Yes, you can turn it off.
Maybe he was on drugs.
he probably didn't have time to turn off all the phones.
He has a $10,000 bill.
He could have used them phones to get out.
I don't even have time for these people. I don't even want to talk about this story because he's just dumb. Honorable mentions tonight, fellas.
Yeah.
The White House says that Mr. Trump will never release his taxes. Really? Oh, yeah.
Okay.
United Airlines announced a new policy where they can't actually ask you for your seat if you've already been seated.
Okay.
So, like, if you've already
They
been
got to do
checked
it
in.
before, got it.
Correct. However, Delta is now offering up to $9,500
I will buy
seat.
a ticket just so they can make me.
Brian. that I what?
You said what? You need somebody to get off?
They know we just asked me want peanuts.
Up to 9,500. So listen, we going bargain.
Whoa.
We said $500. $500 if somebody 700.
Yep.
I'm going back and forth. It's an auction for me.
Yeah.
All the way up until the last minute. You said nine. What you said?
Wait. Like 9,500
9,500, bro.
for a seat.
A seat.
I'm gonna ask for some free drinks for the next flight. Then we got stuff to do.
I'll take it to 95.
No, I'm taking
I don't
it.
know for it. I don't
Give me the cash.
know.
I will go.
I
I will
ain't
take the
being
next.
greedy with it,
No,
though.
I am. Fuck it.
You
Don't
get
got
the
money.
cash and you can take the next flight. Give me the money.
Alright, I'll do 95.
You buying a ticket
Give me the
tomorrow just so it can get overbooked.
Give me the money.
That's true.
Matter of fact, I'm not even going there no more.
Right.
I'm going somewhere
I'm
else.
going to Hawaii. Let's go. Like, how much is that flight? Alright, bet.
Like right now.
Matter of fact, first class.
Bam. Matter of fact, I want my own. Nah, that's too much. That's too much. Just give me first class.
First class.
I'm good.
Like row 3, I'm cool. Row 3.
Alright, last honorable mention. Do y'all believe this? One of Janet Jackson's friends said that she would never take the 500
Janet Jackson
million,
friends on drugs.
but the 500 million from her ex.
Hold on. So Janet's friend said that
Yeah.
Janet would never.
Yes.
Her friends on drugs. I'm taking 500.
And if I'm Janet's friend, I'm gonna be like, but you on drugs.
It's a family-friendly show. Junior is watching.
Oh, hey, Junior.
Shout out to Junior.
Oh, I already said like 2 F-bombs.
Hello.
I didn't catch
Yeah,
it.
you want to
I didn't catch it. I didn't catch it.
Got your family watching the show,
Hey.
including the children.
It is a school night.
Boy get married, got the whole family
I know,
watching.
right?
Got Lauren Rei live. But we knew.
You did know, actually. I mean, it took what? How long y'all been here?
So the lean.
How long y'all been here?
Who are you?
How long y'all been here?
Over 100 episodes, brother.
No, you mean.
And here, in this building. Yeah, ever since I heard, we about to be sponsored by Samsung, I ain't invited on the show no more.
Stop answering his text. His phone is.
We just did that earlier.
New host to this.
This is Lauren Rei's assistant.
Yeah, what?
Screening calls.
Charlie.
Lauren Rei said, can you leave a message, please?
Negative.
All right, guys, so that's it. That's your retro recap for April 18, 2017. You guys, you can be right back for the Lauren Rei Live. Let's talk about it top of the hour. We got a quick little break, get ourselves together. But remember, tonight the topic is girls going wild. Should the ladies get a pass to wild out after a breakup?